Good morning everybody. In today's video, I am going to show you how to transfer files between your iPhone/iPad and your laptop with no bloatware. Okay, so the first step is you open Safari and you go to drive.google.com. Here you can log in with your Google account and then you can upload files and then okay. The Google Drive app is basically not considered as bloatware because it does have an app also, but you can use the web app also instead. Okay, so the way you use Google Drive is you log in with your Google account and upload a file to it. Then you go to your laptop and log in with the same account. You'll be able to download that file from there. So that's one way to do it. Now another way is something that I think I'm really clever for noticing. Is like there are only some apps on your iPad which can communicate through iTunes. So like if we go to iTunes right now, I can show you. So here we are after what I hope is a smooth transition in after editing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up iTunes. Just gonna press open. Sometimes it takes a while. We'll just edit this out. Okay, so iTunes open. Now my iPad has wireless syncing enabled, so the icon should appear right there, but your iPad probably won't have Wi-Fi syncing enabled if this is your first time doing it. So what you'll have to do is you have to connect it by a wire and then press trust this computer on your iPad to let iTunes be able to access the files. So here we are on my iPad has loaded, but as you can see there is no way to transfer files. So what you have to do, you have to press that icon up there and then there will be a thing called file sharing. Click on that. And here it shows you all the apps that you can use to transfer files between your iPhone and laptop. So yeah, so pick some app which you know that you're never going to delete ever. Like I won't delete Word ever because I need it, so we're gonna click on that. Okay, so here are all the files in my Word, and as you can see I store all my stuff in here because then it's easier to transfer it. And yeah, so for me what I have to do is once I put a file in here from my file explorer, I have to click sync, but if you are connected by wire it should happen for you automatically. Okay, so how do we enable Wi-Fi syncing? We have to go to summary and click this little button right here, because then it will sync with the iPad over Wi-Fi, and this is useful because you can sit anywhere in the house and you can transfer files using that. Okay, so the third method which I'm about to show you here is technically considered bloatware, but I still say that you should install it as it gives you many nice extensions and gives you a nice safe web browser which you can download anything from. So the app's name is Documents by Riddle. As you can see, it's already recommended to me, this one. Now this app can communicate between your iTunes and your iPad, and you can open any sort of file extension, almost everyone, and you can stream and play videos offline, can surf the internet privately, download anything from the web, etc., etc. So that is the easy way to do it. And but it is technically considered bloatware, so I suggest that you go with something like Google Drive. But this is better if you want some, if you are fine with bloatware. So that has been it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good day.